Hello friends, welcome to my channel Love Food. Do you feel like eating something sweet but don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen making it? So here's a quick 15-minute coconut laddu recipe that has just 4 ingredients. So let's start cooking. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel too, and also hit on the bell icon. So let's start. Let's begin making the coconut laddus, but before that, these are all the things that we need. I have taken 1.5 cups of desiccated coconut. This is also known as Nariyal ka burada in India. You can easily get it at any general or kirana store around you. We also have 1 to 2 tablespoons, big tablespoons of ghee, half a cup of Milkmaid or condensed milk, half a teaspoon of elaichi or cardamom powder. Along with this, I have also taken a little bit more of the condensed milk. We will see if needed, we can add it. Let's start making the coconut laddus now. This recipe is a very quick recipe. So as soon as we add the ghee and we put the coconut inside, we need to work fast. So here goes the ghee inside. This is 2 tablespoons of ghee that I am adding. The gas needs to be on a very low setting, very low. So here goes the ghee. We'll wait for it to just melt a little bit and we'll go ahead and add the coconut. So now we can add the coconut inside. This was the 1.5 cups of coconut. We'll put it inside this kadai. Keep mixing it or else the coconut will get burnt. So the coconut, desiccated coconut is still getting roasted. We need to slightly change the color of this coconut. It should not be white. At the same time, we don't want a very dark brown color. It should just be a medium brown color. That's when the coconut will start releasing all its natural juices and flavor, and you will get a very good and a gooey texture in the coconut laddu. So see, the coconut, desiccated coconut has started to change color. It was white and now it's got a very light brown color. At this time, we will go ahead and add this cardamom powder and give it all a nice mix. We'll wait for the coconut texture to change, for the color to change a little bit more. Remember to keep mixing this mixture or else it will get burnt. It should not be left unattended. You have to keep on mixing it till it changes color. See how nicely it started to change the color. So this is the color that we want, a nice light brown color, not too dark. To this we will add the Milkmaid, and now we need to work really fast. Give it all a good mix. If you feel that the Milkmaid is less, you can go ahead and add some more. In the meantime, turn the gas off or else it will all start getting burned. So I have taken a little bit extra here, about 1/4 cup, and I am adding it a little bit at a time till I find that the consistency of the batter or the texture is right. So I feel this is enough. So I had taken 1/4 cup, of which half is remaining here, about 1 tablespoon is left behind. So give it a little bit good mix and we can remove it into another bowl now. So what I did is, the batter, I removed it into a bowl like this. As of now, this batter is very hot. So you can't form laddus as of now. We'll wait till it becomes slightly cool to touch so that we can lift the batter up and make balls out of it. And in the meantime, what I also did is I took some extra desiccated coconut. We will make laddus or balls out of this batter and roll it in this for presentation. Let's start forming our coconut laddus. So what I did is, I wanted to have equal size of laddus. So I took this kind of a scoop that I had. You just need to scoop it out, nicely fill it and then remove it out. Now start forming laddus out of it. See? Once you're happy with the shape, just drop it in this and give it a nice roll. Coat the laddu nicely with all the desiccated coconut around, and it's ready. Our coconut laddus are now ready to be served. These laddus are about a handful size of laddus, and I could make about 9 laddus from this batter. So if you have time in hand, what you could also do is, when the batter is getting mixed, you could also add some crushed almonds inside it, or you could use the crushed almonds for garnish. Now you can go ahead and enjoy these laddus.